Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and insightful analysis on the latest gadgets and tech innovations. Today, we're diving into what I believe is the best label printer in the market, the Brother ColAura VC-500W color photo and label printer. Now, what sets this printer apart? Let's start with versatility. The ColAura VC-500W isn't just a label printer, it's a creative powerhouse. From printing labels to photos, stickers, and more, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're decorating gifts, organizing your home, or adding a personal touch to your business projects, this printer has you covered. And let's talk about convenience. With Wi-Fi and wireless direct capabilities, you can print from virtually anywhere using your smartphone or tablet. No need to be tethered to a computer. Plus, the free Color Label Editor 2 app and P-Touch Editor software make designing your prints a breeze. But what about print quality? I'm happy to report that the ColAura VC-500W delivers vibrant, full-color prints without the need for ink cartridges. Thanks to Zinc Zero ink technology, the colors are embedded in the paper itself, resulting in high-quality photos and labels every time. Now, let's talk about compatibility. The VC-500W uses Brother CZ and CK replacement rolls, available in various widths to suit your printing needs. And with adhesive-backed paper that's water, tear, and smudge-resistant, your prints will stand the test of time. But don't just take my word for it. Customers love the ease of use, compact size, and versatility of this printer. And while some have encountered minor connectivity issues, the overall consensus is clear. The Brother ColAura VC-500W is a winner. So there you have it, folks. If you're in the market for the best label printer color, look no further than the Brother ColAura VC-500W. With its versatility, convenience, and exceptional print quality, it's a game-changer for home and business alike. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest tech trends. Until next time, happy printing!